So UMG monetized the video that I produced, the last one, the one that I produced for Young Minds as a charity video because of some music that was in the background playing at the gym. So thanks guys, enjoy the 0.000000001 penny that I'd have generated from the views alone on that video. And this isn't over, not by a long shot. Woo-wee. Hi guys, welcome to StudentChow, the show where we try and cook recipes on a budget and try not to need to charge kids 50 quid for a 12-day advent calendar. Zoella, are you high? Little voice break there. You high? Sorry sir, it's 50 quid for an advent calendar. This week we're going to be cooking 3 different breakfasts and they all centre around porridge oats. So porridge oats are a great carb to start the day off, and any student YouTube cooking channel isn't worth their salt until they've shown you 3 different ways to get these for your breakfast. And screw chia seeds, they got nothing on this. And this is cheaper, holy crap, it's like £2.50 for a bag of chia seed, and it's like 1 serving. Nah, screw that. This was 79p a bag, so can't say fairer than that. So not only are we going to be doing 3 different types of porridge, we're also going to show you 3 different toppings and 3 different methods for cooking it, including one that's going to be done in the microwave, one on the hob, and one that's going to be done overnight. So it's up to you which one you fancy, mix and match, why not? So the first recipe we're going to be doing in the microwave, and this is going to be for the people that just want to grab it and go and eat it. And it's going to have some protein in it, it's going to have some coffee in it, so it's going to give you that instant buzz as well as the long-term energy that is obviously provided by oats. All our recipes start the same way. 1 cup of oats, add in enough milk to cover before adding in 1 scoop of protein and 1 scoop of coffee for this one. Granted, it doesn't look very attractive now, but throw it in the microwave for a minute, give it a stir, another minute, and we'll finish it off with some frozen summer fruit. It's going to look great. Okay, next up is one that's a little bit more fancy. We're going to treat it like a risotto, so we're going to do it on the hob. And we're also going to make it vegetarian. So, well, it can be vegan depending on where you stand on whether honey is vegan or not. So for that, same thing, we're going to throw in some oats into a pan, whole cupful. We're going to cover it with some almond milk, and then we're going to let that bubble away until the oats are nice and soft and silky and just delicious. And last but by no means least, we're going to hit one that doesn't even need any cooking whatsoever. This is overnight oats. All it requires is the same amount of milk as before, as well as some grated apple to help the oats break down overnight. And then we're going to season it with some cinnamon and chili powder and top it off with some cocoa powder. It's going to be amazing. And there we have it, guys. 3 different ways to cook porridge / oats for breakfast, and they all look pretty good. I'm quite pleased with how they've turned out. Presentation isn't my greatest, but they're functional. They're meant to be about something you can eat in the morning to get you ready for the day. And of course, the only way to do the final test is to taste them. Joey on the hand! Alright, okay, let's start with the vegan / veggie one. Get a bit of everything, it's still pretty warm. Silky, the honey just makes it nice and sweet. Works really well with the almond, and of course the banana's in there, so it's on your favourite day as well. Okay, next up is coffee porridge, and might need a little bit more milk in this one because it's got a bit stodgy, but that's something you can improve for yourself. Let's go. Coffee is definitely in there. Maybe dial that down a little bit as well. The strawberry protein is a nice aftertaste, and the berries on top make it pretty fresh. So that's all we've got time for today, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you like this channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow us on all the social media, and of course, if you fancy donating towards this project and keeping me able to do it, you can also support my Patreon for a $1 donation, and I'm going to set it at $1. You can help continue to see this channel grow. Thank you very much, guys. Until then, see you next time. Oh, and don't worry about the overnight oats. I've got something special planned for them.